Number 6. Checking in at the airport. Bob and Gary are at the airport talking about where to check in for their flight. Do you know where the check-in counter is? I'm not sure. Let's check the board. I see it. Flight 877, counter 3. Which way is that? This place is so big. I don't want to start walking in the wrong direction. Oh, there's 7, 8, and 9. It must be the other way. All right, let's go. We're pretty late. Boarding is starting soon. Let's walk quickly.
Number 7. Talking to a customer service agent. Tim is talking with a customer service agent at the airport. Where are you headed?
I'm going to Tokyo.
Okay. Can I see your passport, please?
Sure.
Would you like a window or aisle seat?
An aisle seat, please.
Sure. How many bags do you have?
Just one.
Okay. Put it on the belt. And here are your tickets. The boarding time is 7:35. Have a good flight.
Thank you.
Number 8. Asking for directions. Jim is lost and needs directions. Excuse me, do you know where Luigi's restaurant is? I've never heard of it. What's the address? It's on the corner of 10th Avenue and 7th Street. Oh, it must be right next to Starbucks. You're pretty close. Go down this street for about 2 blocks, and then you'll see it on your left. Thanks for your help. No problem at all.
Number 9. Confused about where the store is. Mary is on the phone with a store employee to ask for directions. Hi, I'm trying to get to your store, but I'm a bit confused. Okay, where are you now? I came to the correct address on Google Maps, but I don't see your place. Sure, we're actually inside the grocery store. Do you see it? Yes, I'm right in front of it. Come into the store and we're at the back on the left. Perfect, thank you.
Number 10. Deciding how to get somewhere. Bob and Keith are talking about how to get downtown for a concert. Where's the concert? And it's at 8:30, right? It's at the Orpheum, downtown. It actually starts at 9. Parking is so expensive downtown. What about taking the subway there instead of driving? That's good for getting there, but I think it stops running at 11:30. We might have to take a taxi home. That's fine with me. It'll be about $20 each.